Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P027E refers to a problem within the cold start air-fuel ratio control system, specifically indicating that the system is commanding a lean condition for bank 1. In this context, lean means there is too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion mixture, which can lead to performance issues and increased emissions. Bank 1 typically refers to the bank of cylinders in the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The air-fuel ratio is crucial for optimal engine performance, ensuring efficient fuel combustion and reducing harmful emissions. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has recognized an abnormality within the cold start air-fuel ratio control process. This vehicle model, the Honda CRV, from 2017 to 2022, is equipped with advanced engine management systems that monitor and adjust the air-fuel mixture based on various inputs. The DTC P027E affects several key components in the vehicle's fuel management system. The primary suspect is the Engine Control Module, ECM, which is responsible for monitoring the air-fuel ratio and adjusting fuel delivery accordingly. The ECT sensor, or Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor, plays a crucial role by providing the ECM with real-time temperature data of the coolant, indicating when cold start conditions exist. It is strategically located near the engine block to measure the coolant temperature accurately. A malfunction in the ECT sensor may lead to incorrect readings, causing the ECM to lean out the air-fuel mixture. Failure in fuel injectors or fuel pressure regulators can also contribute to issues affecting the cold start air-fuel ratio. The successful operation of these components ensures the engine operates efficiently, particularly during cold starts when the engine requires extra fuel. Understanding the possible causes of DTC P027E is crucial for effective troubleshooting. A faulty engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor can provide inaccurate temperature readings, misguiding the Engine Control Module (ECM) and leading to incorrect fuel mixture adjustments. A defective Powertrain Control Module (PCM) could malfunction in its role, failing to interpret signals or controlling the fuel delivery improperly. Another potential cause is issues within the vehicle's fuel system, such as clogged fuel injectors or a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator, which can result in insufficient fuel delivery to the engine during cold starts. Each of these components must work harmoniously to maintain the optimal air-fuel ratio necessary for efficient engine operation, particularly under cold engine conditions. When DTC P027E is present, several symptoms can occur as the vehicle struggles with the cold start process. One primary symptom is an engine misfire when starting, often due to the improper air-fuel ratio. Lean conditions may prevent the engine from starting smoothly, resulting in rough idling or hesitation upon acceleration. Additionally, reduced fuel efficiency may be observed as the engine compensates for the lean mixture by requiring more fuel. This inefficiency could also lead to increased emissions, contributing to environmental concerns and failing emissions tests. Drivers may also notice the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, indicating that attention is required. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further complications and support timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P027E involves turning the ignition key to the on position, activating the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. This allows the diagnostics to initialize. After that, the engine must be allowed to cool until the engine coolant temperature ECT sensor 1 reads 122 Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius or lower. This step is crucial as the ECT sensor provides essential data about the engine's operating temperature, which directly affects the air-fuel mixture during cold starts. Monitoring the ECT sensor's value ensures that any analysis will reflect the correct conditions under which DTC P027E may arise. If the sensor reads above the specified temperature, it may not accurately represent cold start conditions, leading to potentially misleading conclusions about the fault at hand. Once the ECT sensor's value has been verified, the next troubleshooting step requires clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool designed for Honda vehicles, providing diagnostic and repair capabilities. Clearing the DTC returns the system to its baseline state, allowing for fresh data to be gathered during the subsequent engine idle. This action prepares the vehicle's onboard diagnostics to register any new error codes that may arise once the engine is started and allowed to idle. It is essential to ensure all codes are officially cleared before proceeding to start the engine, as leftover codes may cloud the diagnostic process, making it harder to identify current issues accurately. Following the clearing of the DTC, turn the vehicle off completely by switching the ignition to the off-lock position. After this, it's time to start the engine and let it idle for at least 10 seconds. Allowing the engine to idle warms it slightly and can help stabilize various sensors and components. This idling process is crucial for simulating cold start conditions that may have triggered the DTC P027E. Observing the engine's behavior during this period may provide further insight into symptoms, such as smooth idling or any unusual sounds that can hint at underlying issues. A thorough understanding of the engine's response during idle can offer critical clues in diagnosing the root cause of the problem at hand. After allowing the engine to idle, the next step is to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This tool will provide up-to-date diagnostic information on the status of the engine control module, ECM, and whether DTC P027E has reappeared. If the DTC is indicated as yes, it confirms that the described failure has been replicated successfully, necessitating further investigation into the cold start air-fuel ratio control system. Conversely, if no, it indicates an intermittent failure, suggesting the system may be functioning correctly at that moment, which can also be a valuable insight. The data collected at this juncture can help clarify whether the issue is consistent or sporadic, guiding the next steps in troubleshooting effectively. After completing repairs based on the diagnosis of DTC P027E, it is crucial to conduct a final repair verification process. This involves confirming that the applied solution effectively resolves the air-fuel ratio issue that triggered the DTC. Utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to check for any remaining or new trouble codes that could indicate further issues in the vehicle's performance. It is essential to run performance tests to evaluate how the vehicle behaves under various conditions, confirming that the air-fuel ratio now operates within optimal parameters. This verification step ensures that not only was DTC P027E addressed, but that the engine is now functioning harmoniously, ensuring a reduction in emissions and improved fuel efficiency. Consistent checks after the repair can prevent similar issues from recurring, providing added peace of mind for the vehicle's operator. To prevent DTC P027E from reoccurring, regular maintenance of critical components is essential. Start with periodic inspections of the engine coolant temperature ECT sensor, ensuring it accurately reflects engine conditions and is functioning correctly. Additionally, reviewing the integrity of fuel system components, such as fuel injectors and pressure regulators, can identify wear and tear that might compromise performance. Maintaining overall engine health through frequent oil changes, air filter replacements, and coolant flushes positively impacts engine efficiency. Keeping the exhaust system in check can also prevent performance-related issues that contribute to DTC triggers. A proactive maintenance schedule not only enhances vehicle performance, but also extends the longevity of critical components. In conclusion, DTC P027E highlights a critical issue in the cold start air-fuel ratio control system of the Honda CRV from 2017 to 2022. Understanding its significance and the potential implications can guide technicians and vehicle owners alike in effectively troubleshooting and resolving issues. By following a systematic approach in diagnosing the problem, from monitoring the engine coolant temperature sensor to executing tests with the Honda Diagnostics system, one can pinpoint the exact malfunction. Emphasizing preventive measures through regular maintenance ensures that the vehicle operates efficiently and reduces the likelihood of future DTCs. Ultimately, awareness and timely interventions are vital in maintaining the performance and reliability of the vehicle's engine management systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.